This is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Pause. I'm back. Nigga, Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more.
The bull market is back, guys. Are you excited? Is that a banana, or are you just excited to see it? Wow. Woo! Nope, it's a cucumber. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto every day? We are now back to coming live to you with a video talking about this crypto space, breaking down the market every day. Vinny is in the house. What's going on, my cousin Vinny? And yes, it is a cucumber. We're excited to see you too, though. So please, if you were disappointed that it was a cucumber, I'm sorry. But good morning. We're back to you with a live. Lots to talk about this morning. I'm feeling much better, so I can actually do lives now. So this is great. I just want to bite this, but I'm going to actually cut it up correctly and enjoy it the right way. Have a garden going on, and I'm doing awesome in the garden. Thank you for coming to visit. Total crypto market cap this morning. We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about a lot of things this morning. Two major factors. Why I think that the crypto market is back. And so are we, feeling great. And if you pay attention, total market cap is $1.07 trillion. We're going to talk a little bit about some news. Why BlackRock's latest push into crypto will be a game changer. And why I'm going to ultimately change the title as soon as I get a second. Back to, I believe, a short squeeze is going to be coming. We're going to talk about that on the charts. I hope you're excited for that. Hit the like and subscribe. It's very important for you to hit the like button to get this algorithm through for people to see this video and know that this guy's for real and things that he's been saying has been true. We've been a little wrong about the up or down, but when I say there's a breakout coming, we have found a breakout coming. Check every video, check every price. You will see, my friends, that there was a breakout. Whether it was to the upside or the downside correctly, that is to be determined when you check it out. But I do want to talk about BlackRock. This is very big, important news, game changer, coming into with the ETF approval. This could be huge. If approved, the ETF could open the door for pension funds and other conservative institutions, many of which are subject by laws restricting what assets they can hold. So to add Bitcoin shares to their portfolio, this would in turn add additional diversity and liquidity to the market. So guys, this is huge, big news for the crypto space, why we have a big win. And of course, only a week later, I believe, I did not check the days, but Binance SEC trying to quietly ban Bitcoin, right? All these specific coins that we could trying to get into buy if you live in the U.S. Well, Binance SEC overnight, in the middle of the night, Eastern Time, specifically 1:12, guess what? SEC strikes a deal to move all U.S. customer funds, wallet keys back onshore. This is huge news. Need to pay attention for the temporary restraining order, but still needs judicial sign off. So we'll pay attention and keep close to that, give you those news, give you that news, give you these pieces of information. I hope you're in the chat. Say hello. I would love to know who is watching in the super chat right now as we are live for you. Pretty excited. We're back, guys. Wall Street Pete will be doing a live every morning, perhaps twice a day, 3 times a day, as many times as we need to come live to give you the information that is important. So Binance U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's late Friday announced a deal to ensure that only Binance U.S. employees can access customer funds in the short term, but keywords in the short term. If you've been following me, and I do want to say, hold on one second. if you've been following me, which is very important, this is why I want to talk about this and how important this is. Ladies and gentlemen, there was a couple times I want you to watch and listen to this, how important this is, because I went nuts, and I do apologize if you thought I was over dramatic, but listen to this.
In crypto, working harder than an ugly stripper for you. Hope you're doing awesome on this morning. I want to talk about this topic because a lot of people seem to be confused. If you are a Binance US crypto holder, crypto trader, ACH withdraws. We encourage customers to withdraw their USD via bank transfer ACH by June 13, 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, I encourage Binance to kiss my ass. I am not selling. Guess what, guys? There is nothing but fun about this. June 13th, you will not be allowed to send your money through your bank account. That's all. You can go to another crypto exchange, transfer your money the fuck out, and sell it or buy shit with your crypto debit card. And once again, this is why you follow me until we secure more stable banks. They're coming. Wall Street Pete, Crypto in crypto.
So I just wanted many of you to see that. It's very important to follow me on Instagram, wallsd.pete. We talked about how important it was, and here we are now. So let's get into some of the news. We're going to go into the charts right away. I'm going to stop playing around here. I want you to see what's going on. So rising Bitcoin prices to trigger a short squeeze? Question mark. Well, this is what I'm saying. I'm going to change the title because I do believe that this is what's going to happen now. Few things to pay attention to. I'm just going to go over this quickly. Bitcoin prices rise despite traders taking short positions. This is very true. Majority of the bears are losing, right? Now they are, but we don't know that until it happens. But currently, if you see, they were getting short. Bitcoin options expiry, bullish sentiment, and market volatility impact Bitcoin's performance. Bitcoin has experienced notably volatility in recent times, driving many traders to hold short positions, which this is very true. So if you understand, not financial advice, however, despite this, BTC's price has started to rise again, potentially favoring bullish sentiment. This is correct. This is June 13th. I do agree with this article. But if you pay attention to this young man's tweet here, Bitcoin short squeeze hasn't happened yet. That's how I say it. Most perpetual swap buying volume came from pure BTC purchases, not forced, not short liquidations. More bullets for the bulls. I do agree once again. So pay attention to what is happening. I believe there is a short squeeze coming. We have 303 days, 5 hours, 11 minutes, and 20 seconds until the next Bitcoin halving. And if you were wondering what the Fear Greed Index was, currently we are in a neutral at 47. If you see last month all the way to 51 and beyond, 2 months ago we were in a greed. Looking at the daily, paying attention for the crypto bubble, we do have a few hex up at almost 30%, taking the headway. So just giving you a quick up-to-date what is going on. We have, woo, as my man Vinny would say, up 12.5 almost percent, looking pretty good as he's in the comment with the woo. I love it. Just getting you up to date, though, keeping you into the crypto space. We're going to talk a little bit now. I have 2 crypto assets I am buying. I'm going to put that at the end of the title as well. I'm going to reveal them now. Doing a 10-minute video, so I have 60 minutes left. Let's go. Break it down 60 minutes. Wall Street Pete, as you see, my buying daily indicator is bullish. I am bullish as AF. Not as AF, I'm just bullish AF. Pay attention to the falling wedge. This falling wedge here is from 2 months ago, April. 2 months ago, April, we've been falling. We are now going to find a reprieve coming up. As I said, this would be support. It is guaranteed, showing beautiful support. Getting this falling wedge correctly on the daily, specifically beautifully, as I see. If we don't hold the 25,200, we will fall and proceed to come down to the 22,700 as we're showing. But my sentiment here, what my indicator is showing, that I have a nice buy coming down. It could take a few times. It could take some time to come down here a little bit further. But as you can see, the buy is great. Seeing time and action went through as we hit the bottom of this specific pattern from January 2023. You will see that we're rising. And we are hitting the new lows, higher lows coming up, and ultimately giving us a bigger buy. Now, what I want to show from here, from 2 assets, we're going to go over it right now. Why I believe 30,600 finally breaks, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to find ourselves at the 34.3, and perhaps if the FOMO continues, you see that this big gap here, these are daily candles, we have huge gaps to recover. First recover takes us to 28,000. As you can see, fighting to the 30,600, as I said, once we break that, there is a huge gap that we must perform and fill up through for the bulls to remain bullish here and coming back into the sentiments here. As you can see, up and down, volatile waves through the daily, as you can see, and then ultimately towards the up direction, something is changing. So I'm pretty excited. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, please. Now is the time. As I reveal my top crypto asset I'm buying right now. I'm going to change the title, like I said, after this, between a short squeeze and my two cryptocurrencies I'm buying. Guess what it is? It's Solana, your mama. I am buying Solana, not financial advice, but if you pay attention to this particular move here, all the way from December 2022, Wednesday, 28th of December in 2022, we had a rise here come through that was doing significantly to about the same thing. We were getting a VWAP shape recovery. Bitcoin crypto was dying. Nobody believed in what was happening. And then we resulted in a huge, nice, massive move to the upside, giving us some gains. What I'm thinking here now, looking at this chart, technical analysis is telling me that we are about to get something similar to that move. So this is why Solana, as I pay attention at the 1430, seems to be an excellent buy right now. If we repeat and clone the same move and get this same move as we did get this boring sideways action from January 2023, all the way 6 months later, as you can see, Solana finding a bottom here at 1439. If I went to the daily, maybe you understand what I'm seeing here. The V-shaped recovery is coming, inverted head. Here is the shoulder. And as I continue to watch this, you have to pay close attention to what is happening here, because this is what I believe we're doing. Feeling really strong about this pattern off that support. And what I'm going to do is be selling out at $32.64 for Solana, yo mama. I'm not talking about your mom. I'm just a joke. Things to remind me. As you can see, inverted head and shoulders. This right shoulder breaks through here. We will continue to come all the way up and through to possibly $42. But I'm going to take profits here. This is where I'm excited. Jasmine King is in the house. What's up, Gary? Nice to have you. We're back. So hit the like and subscribe. Hit it harder than ever. We're trying to end this between 10 and 15 minutes. It's very difficult to do. So I hope you're happy with that. Talking about that right now. And now the next crypto asset I want to talk about, the altcoin, is Algo. Why do I want to talk about it? Because I think it's a great time to buy. As you can see here on the bottom oscillator, as many other assets are probably a good time to buy, this is another one I'm getting my hands into. I am particularly buying Algo. So if you pay attention to what is happening here, similar to the same thing as I was saying, see here, left shoulder here, we don't pay attention to it. We're looking for the inverted. That's what we're looking for. The head hit resistance, at the 12.5, build the right shoulder and ultimately take us to the 23 cents. That is where I'll be looking to take some profits at Algorand. So two crypto assets. Wall Street Pete's sick dough in crypto. And if Jasmine is something I want to talk about at the end, we will do it really quick. I love to do technical analysis for other people. What do we see here? Well, it looks like we are already started, ladies and gentlemen. We are looking strong here, creating new higher lows. That's a great pattern to start off at. If you see here, and we're just doing a quick Jasmine because we love Gary and we hate Gary Gensler. So we love this Gary, but we hate the other Gary. And the other Gary is going to lose his job if he doesn't change his attitude, right? But he is losing his job. He did nothing for the FTX. He did nothing. Where was Gary, right? Gary met with FTX. Where was he when we needed him $9 billion later? Same thing with a lot of other issues, right? We had Terra Luna. Where was Gary for Terra Luna? Gary was nowhere to be found. So pay attention to this ascending channel, particularly happening here right now. We'll see what happens. Right now, double top M pattern formation for Jasmine is coming through. We're looking for support to perhaps repeat here at the 27. If it does not, and this is creating a new higher low, you will continue to create this pattern, come all the way through, and we will continue to sell out at the 0.007 for Jasmine. Just a quick uptake for this. Just wanted to go over quickly for Gary because I know Gary's excited. If you can see here, this is where we sell out, obviously. So looking for that. If we do break above there, then you will find that we're in the next zone trading, and then there's a big gap coming in here as Jasmine could be starting a bull market. When will that happen? Well, we'll find out. But Hong Kong. Right, Hong Kong gets into crypto. Everyone is getting into crypto. It seems like this is what's happening. My name is Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Gentlemen, I used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. This place right here, the NYMEX, N-Y-M-E-X in New York. Loved it very much. Then lost my job to the digital currency, to the way everything went digital. And now here I am talking about digital currencies. It makes total sense to me. If you like the channel, if you like the information, please hit the like and subscribe today. Comment in the bottom. I hope you enjoy the show. My name is Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Happy Father's Day. We're here for you. We're out of here like Vladimir, and I'm not talking about Putin. I will see you either later tonight or I'll see you tomorrow. Regardless, I will see you soon. Take care.